Hi everyone. Okay, so this video here, basically what I'm trying to do here is put some brick pavers in this area here, as you can see it. So it is an area that's not used. It used to be here there is like a water fountain in the middle here and some plants, but it's under the roof. But it's inside and outside. So it was pretty ugly. So what I wanted to do basically is, as you can see here, the floor is concrete, exposed aggregates. So what I was thinking here is basically put in some brick pavers, probably to match the wall, or it doesn't really have to match the wall, but as long as it's brick pavers in there. So here, so what I'm doing now is basically doing some excavations. So as you can see, so my purpose here is, as you can see here, that's the 40 mil. So that's 230 by 115 mil, and here it's about 40 mil. So what I was thinking here is I put probably a layer of sand, maybe 30 mil of sand, yeah, 30 to 50. It all depends whether the soil is hard enough or not. And then I put the pavers in there. So I put shallow like that. So I need first to excavate it. Have to excavate all around, of course with an inclination. So I need to so that the water, basically when you wash out this area here, the water will run in that direction into the lawn, basically it goes out. All right, so this video here, I'll put together every time I complete a task. I'll take a video, and and then in the end I'll put one video together and post it. So today is the 17th of October 2019. God knows how long this is going to take me. I'm no expert, but I'm doing research and I have some experience as well, so we'll get it done. Alright guys, talk to you soon. Hi again, this is day 2. Basically after digging the ground, the soil for the brick pavers thickness plus the sand layer. The sand layer, basically you can do 30 mil, 50 mil, whatever you feel like. So you've got choices of the sand. You've got the sand with the aggregates, the mixed sand, you know, just like the river sand, or you can have this just pure sand without any aggregates in it. But as long as you compact it nicely. So as you can see here, I left about a brick thickness. So this is the brick. So this is the brick. So I'll just yeah, that's how it's gonna be. So this is the first layer. So I'm gonna get a compactor to compact it nicely and then adjust the heights. So you still have this alignment there. So this is the existing one. So the bricks that basically they would come there. So you just do a straight line. It's very easy. You don't really need to have any string lines or taking measurements. You just take that line of the brick joints as the alignment. You just need to make sure that it's going to the same alignment here. Yeah, it's not exactly the same, so yeah, you just need to elevate them slightly a bit. So it just goes from here all the way down. Here it is. So you need to compact it very nicely. You can just get the compactors, the small ones. I think that's 30 kilograms from Bunnings for 4 hours. I think it's $46. Yeah, I think it's $43. Yeah, $43 from Bunnings. And that will do the job. All right, I'll actually, when I get the compactor, I'll show you how I'm doing it, and we'll get there. We'll get there eventually. All right. Step three. Step three, basically after we leveled the whole ground manually with sand. Sand, you don't have to get a good quality sand anyway. So what we do is, I would highly recommend you hire a compactor. Compactor is something basically that's going to make it solid ground. So when you put the pavers on it, they will not sink 6 months down the track or a year down the track, especially for the new one, as I say. So now, I will show you how to do it. This is just to show you quickly how to do it. As you can see, the ground here, the sand is all over the place, but it's nice and dense at the moment. I've already started doing it before this video. So now it's just a matter of taking straight edge. Yeah, straight enough, and basically try to level it. So we've got, this is the guide.
No.
Go. So this is the guide. So that's a 40 mil. You do that roughly how it is. You measure your 40 mil. 2 people is better. And you try to level it. You just need to make sure that it's very, very flat. Something similar to that. Yeah. This is basically the end of step 3. Step 4, the only thing that's left with step 4 is level the whole thing, and you start laying your pavers. You use a pattern that you want, but as long as the pavers will be sitting on a flat ground, and of course you need to do a lot of cutting in the corners where they meet the ends. Okay, we'll film the next step later on. Okay, this is step 4 now. So what I did basically is I wanted to take a straight line of bricks all the way around. You can see there, all the way around, and then in the middle I'll crisscross them, something similar to that. Yeah, I was thinking probably just to have the same pattern on the floor as well. As you can see here, these ones are used ones already. The brick pavers are used ones. That's not a problem at all. So what I was thinking to do, basically, this is something that I picked up for 50 bucks, 12 square meters for 50 bucks. So this is really, really, really cheap. You won't get it from the shops like that. So all this project, basically, all of that, everything here would cost me under $100. Sand, free. Brick pavers, it's for 50 bucks. So I was thinking afterwards, when everything is finished, I'll get a gurney. I'll clean all the pavers with a gurney, to expose, of course, the natural, the original brick color. And then I will use a sealant, maybe sealant color, whatever you prefer. So all of that would be definitely way under $100. Okay, so now I'll keep working on it. So sorry. So you see these gaps here. You can't really fit a paver in there. So when I finish laying all the bricks down, I will then come and basically cut the pavers to suit that gap in there, here, there, and a few bits and pieces here as well, as you can see there. So everywhere. Okay, all right, talk to you later. So now all the pavers are down. The only thing that's remaining at the moment are the ends. As you can see here, I've started already cutting bits and pieces basically to make them fit in these small spaces. As you can see here, so I still have to put in these little holes. I need to measure and cut to suit. So as you can see there. So what I did basically to cut them, I just put a grinder. It's a diamond blade. So as you can see, diamond blade. This is basically for pavers, for tiles, for concrete. It does the job perfectly anyway. So this is the installation that I made, so that it doesn't move, but it does the job perfectly. Just need to measure and basically cut to suit. All right, so you just go around and that's it basically. Okay, so all the pavers are in place. I had to do a lot of cutting, of course. As you can see smaller pieces here and there. As you can see there, smaller pieces. You have to do that anyway. Basically now what you need to do is put this very fine sand with the broom. You just go and sweep it all over your pavers and try to get the sand in the joints. This is something that you need to do maybe every couple of months or as needed. You can see basically the sand, especially if there is water in this area here, the sand will actually sink in. So if you see the gaps are basically reappearing, deep gaps are reappearing, you need to do this exercise again so that you close, you fill all the gaps between the tiles, between the pavers. So that's basically it. See, so do that. So once you put the sand, once the sand goes in between, basically it will feel like there is concrete in it. They're not going to move. They will be really strong and solid and stable. They're not going to move at all. So no concrete needed at all. So there, yeah.